How to log into Boeing Employee Portal. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. Open up any of your preferred web application, then at the top search bar, type in Login Boeing Employee. As you do so, scroll below. Here you will see BECU. This is the official website of it. Let's go ahead and click onto it. Now at this page on your middle section, you have to type in your email address. Do that and move on to this password box and type in your password. Make sure that you are entering your email address and password correctly, then click on to sign in. If your credentials are correct, you will get logged into your Boeing employee account. Just in case you are having trouble signing in, click on to trouble signing in, and here you can type in your email address, then click on send link. They will help you resetting your account. Thanks for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then please like and subscribe.